So wherever you see a sign like this, a T with two middle lines, it means it's a treble crochet. It's a treble crochet. All right. So here, what we learned: chain, how they in graphical representation. What are the what signs we learned? We learned chain, we learned slip stitch, we learned double crochet, single crochet, and treble crochet. One more thing is half double crochet. Okay, half double crochet. For half double crochet, what we do, we just make a T. Okay, this is half double crochet. There is no line in between. It means only this sign is being shown. It means this is, they are saying to do half double crochet. Okay, now the next sign comes if there is a T and there are 3 lines in between. It means they're telling you to do double treble. This is called double treble crochet. And I'll just tell you one little tip. If you don't remember the names of these signs, like if you have forgotten all these names, what you have to do, just keep it in mind. If it's a plus or a cross, it's single crochet. Let me show you. Okay, all right. Let's start with single crochet. Okay, if there is this sign means you don't have to yarn over. Okay, you'll just insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through 2 loops. Okay, if they are showing a T, okay, this is not a T, this is a plus, so for that you don't have to yarn over at all. If there is a T but there is no line in between, okay, so it means you have to yarn over, and then you insert the hook, then pull up a loop, and then you have to pull through all 3 loops. Okay, this is a half double crochet. And if you forget the name of the crochet, you just have to remember after seeing this sign that you have to yarn over, insert the hook, and pull through all 3 loops. Okay, and then now if there is a T with a single line in between, it means you have to yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop. Okay, pull through 2 loops, and then pull through 2 loops. Okay, this is the double crochet. Now main thing is starting with this. Okay, these are the things you will remember. These are easier to remember, but the treble crochet and the double treble will be a little bit difficult to remember. Okay, so if you remember the double crochet, what you have to do in double crochet, this is a double crochet and this is a line. Okay, it means you have to yarn over and insert the hook. It means this line shows that you have to yarn over. Okay, once, so you will yarn over and insert the hook and then pull up a loop. Okay, but if there is a sign with 2 lines, it means these 2 lines shows you have to yarn over twice. These lines shows number of times you have to yarn over. Okay, these lines shows the number of times you have to yarn over. There are 2 lines in between, it means you will yarn over twice. Okay, if there are 2 lines in between, it means you will yarn over twice and then insert the hook, pull up a loop and pull through two loops. Okay, here. Okay. All right, and pull through two loops. Okay, you will pull through two loops at a time. Okay, so the more loops are there, look, pull through two loops, pull through two loops, pull through two loops. This way we'll get a height. Okay, if there is a T with 3 lines on it, it means you will yarn over thrice. If you don't remember any name, just remember that these number of lines are telling you the number of times you have to yarn over. So there are 3 lines, it means you will yarn over thrice, and then insert the hook, pull up a loop, then pull through 2 loops. Just pull through 2 loops at a time. Okay, and in the end you will reach at the top. If there is a T, okay, if there is a T with 4 lines, it means you will have to yarn over 4 times. Okay, 1 2 3 4. All right, don't consider this, just count these yarn overs and then insert the hook, pull up a loop. Now pull through 2 loops at a time. Okay, just pull through 2 loops at a time. Okay, this way. So it depends on the sign that how many lines are there in between. The number of lines will tell you how many times you have to yarn over. Okay, this is the main concept of this T. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe. This is the end of the video. Bye bye.